welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. My name is Chelsea if you're new. Today we're going to do a base layout for the week of December 28th through January 3rd in my Recollections Planner using the almost midnight weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see more details of the 6-page kit, make sure to check out the link down below for the haul that gives the full detail, as well as the link to the kit specifically on her shop's website. So if you want to keep watching and check out the base layout, stay tuned. guys, this is my final layout for the week of December 28th through January 3rd in my Recollections using the Almost Midnight weekly kit for GoldPaperPrints. I'll have everything linked down below, everything that I use, videos, everything. Make sure to check that down below. Happy Friday. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos. I do a lot of planning videos. I'm planning on doing some lifestyle videos eventually again, but not anytime soon. Also, make sure to turn on those notification bells because I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with bonus videos on Tuesdays, and then hauls once or twice a month will be on Thursdays. So make sure to check that out. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.